Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing of the new Sony ULT Tower 9 or the Sony ULT 900 that was just released a couple of days ago. As you see, this speaker, it is very big. It has a 12.5-inch woofer, 2 mid-range speakers and 4 tweeters. Let's see what we have in the box. Whew. It was very hard to make the unboxing because it is very heavy. Now, inside of the box we find that it has power cables to be connected to the power source, another power cable. Here we have the manuals that no one reads, and of course we have the optical cable because this speaker have a function that boosts the audio sound from the TV. Let's see what we have here. We have a 12.5-inch woofer, 2 mid-range speakers, 2 tweeters on the front, and of course 2 on the back here. Let's see the inputs: audio in, optical in, and the USB for play or charging another device. This is the power adapter where you can connect it. These are the wheels. And now, because I found it on the internet that this speaker has an internal battery, now I will try to turn it on. So on the internet it says that it has an internal battery, but it will not turn on. Let's see the interface here. So we see here that all the interface it is with touch. Only these are the buttons, and here we can connect one mic, mic 2, and one guitar. So I have connected to the power source, and now let's turn it on. It started so slow. I think I was thinking, oh my god, this is a damaged speaker, but no, it is starting, and this is the interface inputs. We have here the power on and off. The ULT, it has 2 extra levels of bass, volume, USB, audio in, optical in with the TV sound booster here, but we will leave it on the Bluetooth. The lights: red, yellow, green, blue and purple. No lights, but I will leave it on multicolor. So this was the unboxing, and now I will make a sound test, and at the end of this video I will give you my first impressions about this speaker. But let me try something. What happens when I disconnect the speaker from the power source? Yeah, it was obviously that it will turn off. I don't know why I find it on the internet that this device have an internal battery, but you need to be careful when you place the order, because maybe you want this to listen somewhere outdoors when where you don't have a power source. That's why it is very good to go in a store and test it. As we can see here on the back, we have the Sony XV900. It has almost the same layout of speakers, but this one have an internal battery. So let's make the sound test.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
And that was the sound test with the new Sony ULT Tower 9. As you saw, it was very loud. The highs, the mids and the bass are very balanced. I can definitely say that this is more oriented to for the highs to be very powerful, but the sound, it is very good. Of course, the bass, the 12.5 inch woofer does the job. I think the JBL Party Box Ultimate, it is a little bit more stronger, but I will make a cross comparison review between them. But it is clearly very powerful. I think this will have around 115-116 decibels, and that means it is very powerful. Unfortunately, I do not like the design. As you see, this is very squared, but my Sony XV900 that we have here on the back, it looks much better. It even have an internal battery, but it is definitely clearly that the new Sony speaker, it is much louder than the XV900. I will do another cross comparison review about those speakers. So I paid for it $899. It was very expensive, but yeah, you get the sound. You get the sound for it. Unfortunately, you don't get the microphone that you get with the Sony ULT Tower 10, but I like the sound much better than on the Sony ULT Tower 10. Of course, I will make a full review in a couple of days after I will test it in every scenario, even connecting with the TV. But I can definitely tell you that it is a very good speaker, and it is very loud. We will see that with a decibel test in another video, but till then, what do you think about the new Sony ULT Tower 9? Do you like it or not? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!